If you're serious about starting, do this step by step. If you're serious about starting something new and not just thinking about it, then I want to make this very simple for you today. Because one of the biggest problems people have is not a lack of desire. It's not a lack of intelligence. It's a lack of clear direction. Hi, for those that don't know me, I'm Holly. And if you've been watching, thinking, learning, and still feeling stuck, I want I want to walk you through this step by step in a way that feels real and manageable. Because too many people are overwhelmed before they even begin. They think they need the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect confidence. And that's exactly what keeps them from moving. So let's strip this down. If you're serious about starting, here's what it actually looks like, step by step. Step one, get honest about what is no longer working. This is where it starts. Not with a platform, not with a product, not with a logo. It starts with honesty. Ask yourself, what in my life feels unsustainable? What am I tired of carrying? What pressure keeps showing up again and again? Because until you get honest about the problem, you will keep treating the symptom. And that's why people stay stuck for so long. They try to do something new without first understanding why they need something new. So, step one is clarity, not perfection, just honesty. Step two, stop trying to learn everything. This is where so many people lose months, sometimes years. They keep gathering information. They watch one video, then another. They follow this person, then that person. They save posts. They read comments. They compare. And it feels productive. But it becomes a trap because too much information without action creates confusion. You do not need to learn everything. You need to learn the next step, the next skill, and the next decision. That's it. Think of it like climbing stairs. You don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need the next one. Step three, choose one clear path and stay with it long enough to see results. This matters more than people realize because most people don't fail from choosing the wrong thing. They fail from switching too fast. They try one direction, then panic. They don't see instant results, so they pull back. Then they start over somewhere else. And every time they do that, they reset their momentum. So once you choose a path, ask, is this something I can stay with long enough to actually learn? Because consistency creates confidence, and confidence creates movement. Step four, use your real life experience instead of hiding from it. This one is especially important for your audience. You are not starting from zero. You may feel like you're starting over, but you are not empty-handed. You have lived experience, people experience, problem-solving experience, resilience, and that matters, truly. In fact, it matters more than most people think, because what people trust most today is not just information. They trust someone who feels real. someone who understands pressure, someone who has actually lived through things. This is not a weakness. That is an advantage. And lastly, step 5, let it be simple before you try to make it big. This is a mistake so many people make. They think they need to launch something huge. They overbuild, overthink, they overcomplicate, and then they burn out. But simple works. Simple is sustainable. Simple is what lets you move. So, if you're starting, keep your message simple. Keep your next step simple. Keep your expectations realistic, because simple creates momentum, and momentum changes everything. So, if you've been wondering what starting really looks like, that's what it looks like. Not glamorous, not dramatic, just honest, clear, and step by step. If this helped you, watch the next video on my channel where I go even deeper into what keeps people stuck in awareness and how to move into decision. If this helped you see things a little more clearly, there's a free guide below, a link that will walk you through this in a very simple way. And if you feel ready for something more structured, I've included that too. Take your time with it and subscribe for more real practical guidance like this. You do not need a perfect plan to begin. You need a clear next step. And I'm here to help you. Any questions?